attack her mama, even Sunday, even with one of her kittens. There's two more out there. I need to catch them and take them to the rescue so they don't have to grow up out here. She was about the only cat I could have trapped to get fixed. So she went and had babies. I'm still gonna get her, but and there's a pretty face, but so that's what she was attacking me for. And as for everybody else, another lazy Sunday. It's like yesterday. Everybody's just lazing around. It's kind of warm out. Hey, Mama. Jules. Somebody's in his favorite spot. One's Mama. Rowdy Boy's in his favorite spot. That's Gray Boy from up front. Orange Boy was here. I don't know where he went. So, it's another hot feeding. Makes everybody want to lay around. But at least they ate. And I just really want to catch those kittens. You know, that's Player's mom. And that kitten looks just like Player. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh, pretty face. Thanks for watching.